First time buyers, investors, welcome to Leighton Court. I'm going to share with you my 5 reasons why this ground floor apartment is such a great find. Let's go. How you doing? Welcome, come on in. I did promise you 5 reasons why I love this flat, didn't I? Let's talk about number 1. And it's this refitted kitchen. Wasn't done so long ago. You've got integrated fridge freezer here, electric hob, nice contemporary design, and loads of cupboard space as well, with the boiler nicely hidden away. Number 2 is this outlook. Okay, so just imagine relaxing here with the family on a nice summer's afternoon or a spring afternoon with this outlook. So this is southwest facing, really private, as you can see. Behind that hedgerow there, you've got Leighton Park School, and the owners have said that this is such a sun trap on those warm summer afternoons. Number 3 is the fact that it's got 139 years left on the lease, so no lease extensions around the corner. How about we go and have a look at these bedrooms? So 1 double, 1 single, but to be fair, in this single, if you wanted to fit a small 4-foot double bed, I reckon you could do it. And in the master bedroom, if you like storage, you're gonna love this. Check it out. And you also benefit from that green space outlook as well. And before I share with you number 4, go check out that bathroom. I forgot to say, number 4, we've got a garage in the block as well. So if you've got bikes and things you need to store, don't fret, because you can do it. And number 5 is its location. I just want you to check it out from the sky. Within a 10-minute walk, you have university's beautiful Harris Gardens. 20 minutes from here on foot, you get to Christchurch Parade of Shops. And a 20-minute bus journey takes you into Reading Town Centre. So if you think that this is the one for you, do get in touch with us quickly at the office, and we can't wait to meet you here at Leighton Court.